There's a few stems, but it's not that many.
Here, ooh, I got that fried whiting, right?
Look at this fish, man. Look at that. Can you see that fish?
Hold up, wait a minute. We're gonna eat some of this right here, man. But let's see what about they fried chicken.
Captain D's. I ain't seen a Captain D's in a long time.
What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We're here in Richmond, Virginia at Miss Girly's Chicken, and we are here in suggestion of Ashley Maxwell. We're gonna go in here, man, and check out Miss Girly's Chicken. It's supposed to be a soul food spot, man. So let's walk up in here, check it out. I haven't been inside. I don't know what to expect, man. It's always a hair raiser, man, but I love meeting people. I love being out here in the country, man. We out here in the outskirts. I guess this is the outskirts, man. We're gonna find out exactly where we are here. But let's go in here and check out Miss Girly's. Let's go in and check it out. We got plenty of parking on both sides, man. We're gonna go in here and see what's up. How you doing? Thank you. There's the time right there. You got 11 to 6, 11 to 6:45 p.m. You got seating here. Nice, look, they got seating here, y'all. Check this out.
I was saying the combos, being that it's your first time.
Yeah.
Because the combos have, a few things. So
That's the Churchill combo?
fish,
Oh,
shrimp,
fish,
hush
shrimp.
puppies,
Oh, and two sides.
These two have chicken, fish, and shrimp.
Okay.
Chicken, shrimp, ribs.
I'm gonna do the combo.
Regardless of whatever you order, you're not going to eat all of it anyway.
Oh, okay, so I'm gonna have some leftovers.
Yes.
Sure.
Okay,
For the next day.
for the next day.
So you can think about me when you're eating it the next day.
Oh, you hear that? Think about her when we eating it.
Hey.
We want to get her a story, definitely. So I'm gonna get the combo, and what should I get, sis?
Which combo?
I'm gonna get the one you pointed out, the Churchill combo.
Churchill, what's your
Yep.
two sides?
Collards are good.
Collard greens, what do you cook your collards with?
Chicken stock.
Oh, just chicken stock.
No pork.
You don't cook no pork at all?
No, because our target audience
Yeah.
doesn't eat pork.
Not like we
Have a
used
good
to.
one.
Right.
Okay, so
Thank
chicken
you,
stock.
ma'am.
So the collard greens, what else?
Mac and cheese is good.
Okay, let's do that. Let's do traditional, y'all. We're gonna do collard greens and macaroni and cheese. Here comes y'all. All right. I already see what's happening here, man. We got our sauces, the hot sauce, and
So this is like a remoulade sauce.
Remoulade?
For your fish.
okay,
shrimp.
yep.
Almost like a mambo sauce. This
What-
replaces cocktail, that replaces tartar.
What's the name of this one?
We call this government sauce.
Government sauce.
And this is called that sauce.
Let's open this up right here. Ooh, I got that fried whiting, right? I got those Hush Puppies right there in the middle. I got that cornbread over to the right. And I got those shrimp. Some of y'all call them shrimp. I call them shrimps. Look at that, man. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at it. It smells so fresh, man. Look at this, man. This is homemade Hush Puppies and that cornbread, man. Them greens, I didn't taste none yet. They do have a few stems, but we're gonna go for it. Oh, this macaroni and cheese is really hot, man. Look at that. Look at that right in there. It's got, see, you can tell they scooped it up and put it in there, but it smells delicious, looks delicious. Look at this. Look at this. Almost dropped it. Y'all know that's my MO, dropping. Look at this, man. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It smells absolutely delicious, man. And I am just so excited. The first thing I have to go into are these Hush Puppies. Into them Hush Puppies. Just putting my tongue on there, I could taste it. Very flavorful. Good Hush Puppy. That crunch on the skin and it's soft inside and really delicious. I had to taste that first. I'm going right for the fish next. I'm gonna put some of this hot sauce. And then y'all heard the name of the sauce. We're gonna put the names right here. First, I'm gonna take this fish here. Look at this fish, man. Look at that. Can you see that fish? Look at that, look at that. We're just gonna break that whiting in half. It's whiting fish. Some hot sauce on it. That crunch on here is perfect. The batter is perfect. The fish tastes really fresh. I need to drink my tea. I got some iced tea. I tasted it without adding water. It was really good, but I did want to add a little water to it, y'all. And the ice been sitting here melting a little bit. It's delicious. Let's go for the shrimp. Since I'm gonna go for everything in the plate, we're gonna go for the shrimp. Put this sauce on here, man. That smells, I want to taste the sauce. I'll taste it on the shrimp. Put a dab on the shrimp. Look at that. See the shrimp? I'm gonna eat a little more of this Hush Puppy. You see the herbs and the spices in that Hush Puppy? Huh? There's shrimp in here? She said there's shrimp in the Hush Puppy. She called them Shush Puppies. What? These are delicious. I really like it. You created this? Okay. Really good. Thank you. See, there's shrimp inside. That's why they're so delicious. This sauce is really special too. Next we're going for the mac and cheese. See that steam coming off them? They use a different type of pasta too. Check it out. That's good. That is really good, y'all. That macaroni and cheese is really good. These folks know what they're doing. The service is excellent. I'm glad I came here.
I have strawberry cake and one slice of the lemon cake with the buttercream.
Do y'all normally put hot sauce on your mac and cheese?
Slices up of the
I feel compelled to do that. So far, so good. We're at Girly Soul Food Restaurant. Let's check out these. We down south, y'all. Hold up. Y'all won't be telling me with stuff on my mouth. We're down south in Virginia. Here's the greens. Check out the greens. Okay. There's a few stems, but it's not that many. Just a few. I got a good bite on them greens. These really taste like farm raised, like greens. You know, my grandmother usually add an ounce of sugar on them. I don't taste any sweetness at all on these greens. One thing I do like about my greens, though, I like that little sweetness added. I don't taste that, and it's not too vinegary. I hate when my greens are too vinegary. It start tasting like pickles. Y'all heard her. She make these with a chicken base. She don't cook with pork here. They used to, but we're gonna move on from the greens. Love the macaroni and cheese. Only thing I haven't tried is the cornbread. See that cornbread? Let me see. Okay. Cornbread has a little cake flavor. It tastes more cakey than like cornbread. It's good. I definitely come here for the shrimp, the fish. The Hush Puppies are the bomb. And this mac and cheese. The mac and cheese is unique. What type of pasta is this? It's not the elbow. Penne. Penne pasta right there, y'all. Instead of the elbow macaroni. Thank you. That's a pretty smart choice for this macaroni and cheese. Look at it, y'all. I see it has really cheesy. You may not see that long pull, but it's definitely cheesy. Look at that. Both of these sauces are 10. The fried fish is a 10. The Hush Puppies are a 10. The shrimp are a 10. Macaroni and cheese, 9. The collard greens, I'm gonna give a 7. I like pork in my collard greens. If you don't put pork, I like them. I like to taste that little oiliness, greasiness. Let me eat the collard greens once again. Yeah, I'm not getting that. Mad respect for not cooking with pork, but yeah. They taste like fresh collard greens cooked with a little seasoning. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you are hanging with the wrong people. I love all you cats, man. Love y'all, love y'all.
Chicken salad. You like chicken salad? We just made some and some loaves of bread. We just put it in the refrigerator. Help us out.
I like this. And tell us about your business.
I'm Helen Holmes, owner of Miss Girly's Kitchen. We opened 2 weeks before the pandemic with no loans and no debt. Actually, we fried fish out in the parking lot until we earned the money to do the renovations. And we finally did. It took us 2 years to do that. So we finally opened 2 weeks before the pandemic. And we're still standing. And we are truly, truly grateful for all of our customers.
What type of food do you make?
Food just like my grandma used to make. Comfort food. Food to make you feel good inside. Make you feel warm and fuzzy.
And where are we right now?
We're located at 4809 Parker Street in the heart of Fulton.
Okay, Fulton. And Fulton is still Richmond, right?
It is, yes.
Okay, so it's a section of Richmond.
Yes, it's actually historic Fulton. This is a historic landmark.
Right.
Blessings is being able to serve my community. Each year we close our restaurants and we feed our community traditional Thanksgiving dinner. We give it all away.
Nice.
And we partner with a couple of nonprofit organizations to feed our underserved community. So it's our pleasure to actually help the community because that's why we're here, to help each other.
Right.
So,
what are some of the challenges of being an entrepreneur?
Challenges are our most recent challenge was upkeep of our building. We don't own our building, but we are striving to be a commercial property owner one day, and I have some wonderful organizations within my city that are assisting me with that. The only struggle is the upkeep of the building.
Okay, nice. Thank you very much.